Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before I get started, hit that like, and subscribe button, and let's get into the makeup routine. So first, we're just gonna start with my contour. Let me just find it. Oh, look at this. We can't pretend. So we're just putting on the contour. That's a lot on my nose. It's literally almost going down my nose. Oh no. I need to blend now. Before it starts dripping, it's literally almost in my nose. So let's just rub the nose. We can't pretend. Comment down below if you know the song. Did I just put my eyeball? It wasn't as much as to show the video though. That one just was dripping on me. So, um, we're just gonna after this, we're just gonna add some of my powder, my blush powder, and we're going to because it's my brown brush powder, and then we're gonna add blush, contour, then blush. And now, we're just gonna do it on the top of my head, under the eyes. Okay, now we're going to do my powder, my brown powder blush. And just to let you know, you always look good, like usual. And last video was my first video ever. So now this is my second video. That's cute. And now it's my second video. And let's hope this video turns out as best as the last one. Or better. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button again in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cool. And if you didn't do that, please. And if you want, you can send me fan mail, whatever, like that. Now I'm just going to find my blush. Where's that blush? Where is it? And this purse is big and it's my mom's purse. I'm using her makeup. I have my own makeup. I have my own makeup on here. I have my own makeup on, but I can't find. And then my mom's makeup's here. Yeah. Oh, that was really good. Oh, and also when I'm done, I'm just gonna add a little bit of on my forehead, my chin. Okay, I really can't find this blush. Where is it? My stamina behind. I forgot the blush. Where is it? I'm gonna like faint or something if I keep that. Where is it? I just want to scream. Where is it? Oh, is it literally right behind me? Oh, it's right here. That makes me mad now. So we're just gonna pop, pop, pop. Nice. And that looks good. Now we're just going to. I'll find it. Just give me a second. Couldn't find it yet. We'll. I just realized. I already put on blush. Now we're just gonna do my contour. So it's an update. There's an update that does everybody know my name yet? It's literally on the first word. The first word on my channel name. Just gonna use this stuff. I'm only doing it on this today. Last video I did it, but not today. I make 2 videos a day. So my first video was today, and this is my second video today. So now we're just going to. Now we're just gonna move on to. I think we can do the eyebrows. Oh, it's right here. Hold on. So now we're just going to. This chair is so uncomfortable, literally. Screen shaking because I'm moving around so much. I can't get this open. Come on, just get open. Can't get it open. Just can't. Okay, got it open. Oh, come on. Now I'm just gonna like rub it in this, my fingers. Yep. Now I'm just going to look for my. Wait, this might be blush. Makes it look like I have a kind of like freckle area. A little bit. I do have freckles, but just when I put on foundation, my freckles don't show that much. And I'm just gonna add a little bit. Why does everything all the same? That can't find it. Where is it? And please watch my videos. I'm gonna post one tomorrow. other one's released, but what was that? Oh, it's just my beads. That didn't spill. Just getting a little bit more because I like when the shows. Alright. Now we're just going to do my eyes. There. I just started my YouTube channel today, and I've been begging and begging and begging. Can we do my YouTube channel now? But we finally did it today, and it's exciting. And I finally. Also, just go to my website. And then it'll be all about me. I go to my website all the time, so, well, I do. I don't know if other people can go to my website, but yeah, I can though. So now I'm just going to think of a color to use. Brown. Brown will match with my style. I'm doing this time, so let's do brown. What's the black? Other side. I'm just gonna like raise it up a little bit more to my eyebrows. Now I'm just going to do like this shade of brown here. That looks nice. And now it looks really good. Now I'm just gonna go fix my hair. Wait, no, not next. I'm just going to look for it. I'm just looking for my what is it called again? It is called yellow liner. Okay, got it. Well, there. That's good. Hold on. It's just there. Just a little line, and I got a lot on there. Now I'm just gonna look at that. And I'll be right back. Okay, back. And I only have a little bit. Shoot, I had this other stuff. should always get this. You can literally get it in Dollar Tree. It feels so nice on my lips. You can also just like use this. Like get a little bit off. If it's too much. This looks good. Now I'm gonna go fix my hair. And I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Peace. Hold on. I'm just gonna do this once. For a bit, then I have to fix my hair again. Because I don't want to just go make it curly. And now you're gonna give me a thumbs up in the comments if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't like it. I'll be fine if you do a thumbs down. Well, bye guys. Let me just turn it off. Bye.